Good morning and welcome. Welcome to the 36th Annual College of Business Technology Outlet Conference. My name is Wayne Fox. This is new. I'm also the director of the Alliance Bank Business Outreach Center. My friends at Alliance. 36 years, that's quite a run. What I've been thinking about that, it's just a little bit daunting that Ron Gunderson and I have been here for most of these events. So it's a way to keep track. We're very pleased to announce a new partnership with Alliance Bank. We started last summer. That partnership is part of the reason this is sponsored by Alliance Bank. And in addition, the partnership also will allow us to do more initiatives to advance the economy of not only the region but the state. So we're very pleased about that. And on a personal note, I'd like to thank Sherry Slayton of Alliance Bank, one of our very own best and brightest, for facilitating that partnership. I would also like to acknowledge the table sponsors. They're listed in your conference materials. Most of those organizations have been with us for literally decades and provide a core base for this conference every year. It's much appreciated. I'd also like to thank my colleague, Darren Choate, who managed all the logistics for today's program.